Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Audi A6 tire pressure. Before starting, please make sure all 4 of your tires are properly inflated to the recommended pressure. You can usually find this information on a sticker located inside the driver's side door jamb. This initial step is super important to ensure the system learns the correct baseline for your tires. Once your tires are at the right pressure, you are ready for the next step. Now, with your tires correctly inflated, turn on your Audi A6's ignition, but do not start the engine. Next, locate your MMI system, which is typically found in the center console. You will see a series of buttons and a control knob. Press the car button on the MMI panel. This action will bring up the main vehicle settings menu on your display screen. Once you are in the car menu, use the MMI control knob to scroll and select the tire pressure monitoring system option. After selecting it, you will see an option to store tire pressures or simply reset. Choose this option and then confirm your selection. This tells your Audi A6's system to learn the current tire pressures as the new baseline. After confirming the reset, your MMI display should show a message indicating that the tire pressures have been successfully stored. To complete the process, you will need to drive your Audi A6 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure to maintain a speed above 15 miles per hour during this time. This driving period is essential for the system to fully calibrate and recognize the new tire pressure settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.